Good morning, first graders. It is Thursday, April 16th, and I want to talk to you about your lessons for today. All right, so starting with phonics, I have a phonics video again for you. Today you have a choice. You can either do an episode of Headsprout or go back to Spelling City and try some of those games I talked to you about yesterday. In reading today, you're going to listen to the end of Iris and Walter. There are instructions in the reading video about writing and drawing Iris's feelings and how they change from the beginning, middle, and end. You can either write them in the notebook that we gave to you, or if you scroll down to the bottom of this document, I've also included it on the last page if you have a printer at home and wanted to print it out and glue it in your notebook. So that is down there at the bottom. Today in writing, you are going to revise. You should have finished your narrative writing. And today you're going to watch the video on revising it and then go back and revise it. Especially look for those capitals and that punctuation that we've been working so hard on this year in first grade. Hope you guys have a wonderful day learning. As always, I'm here for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.